So we have this whole this variable up here called isChild, and this variable called age. Age is 2. And if I say age is less than 2, that's going to be true. So let me just print that down here again. Age is less than 12, that's going to be true. So that is a relational operator, this less than sign. Notice how I can do 12 is greater than age. Flip it around, that's the exact same thing. That's the exact same expression, but in a different order. This is bad code, though. You really want to say, is my variable does my variable compare to this number in a certain way? So you want to put the variable first if you're comparing a variable. Okay, don't do it like this. But those are equivalent. Another equivalent one is as long as this is an integer, I could say, is it less than or equal to 11? Well, that is true. So less than 12, 11 would still be, if the age was, let's see, 11, that would still be true here and here because it's less than or equal to 11. So this is equivalent to this, even though it doesn't quite look like it. If it's an integer, that's the only logical explanation. Let's look at our senior citizen one. So if age is greater than 60, we're going to give them the discount, but age in this case is only 2. Notice that this is equivalent to this as well. Okay, in both of these cases, it's going to be false for our 2-year-old. This is the way to compare if something is equal. Age is equal to 16. Okay, so notice how this is kind of weird. Double or double equals. That's kind of weird because if you do a single equals, that is an assignment. Now age has the value 16. Okay, so single equals is called the assignment operator. Double equals is called the equality operator. So I'm trying to check if age is equal to 16. Now it should return true because age does have 16 in it. Okay, the opposite of that is not equal to, which is written with a exclamation point and a equal sign there.